guys, good morning. It's me Ritali. Welcome to another new vlog from Coorg. So in case if you don't know, I have already posted a video from Coorg. In that vlog, I have already shared this Stockwood Resort property tour and the room tour and some viewpoint and our journey from Bangalore to Coorg. So make sure you check that vlog out. Today is the day 2 in Madikeri. We have some plan for today, like we are going for some sightseeing today. So before going to any sightseeing, first let's go for breakfast. We are done with the breakfast. The breakfast is good, I must say. Food over this property, Woodstock Resort, is quite good. So we are all set for today. First we are planning to go Abbey Falls. So yeah, I will see you at Abbey Falls. Third visit to Coorg and third visit to the Abbey Fall as well, but this is for the very first time I am vlogging in Coorg. Honestly saying, अगर मुझे vlogging करना नहीं होता तो मैं शायद Abbey Falls नहीं जाती. I feel like it is like completely a hype place. So next we are going to Mandalpatti. Mandalpatti is supposed to be the peak point. Here we are going by a jeep. यहाँ पे आप अपना गाड़ी लेके नहीं जा सकते हो. You have to go by jeep or bolero or any heavy vehicle. The price is 1000 rupees for 2 of us and we both own the complete vehicle right now. पहले लोग शेयरिंग में जाते थे, but due to COVID-19 Mandalpatti was closed for some days. आज ही सुबह ये खुला है. So yeah, we are lucky. Come till that place by a jeep, but the journey till that place was quite bad because the road was quite off-roading, but it was more like an experience. This is the entry point. जीप वहाँ पीछे आपको छोड़ देगा. यहाँ से आपको चल के ऊपर टॉप तक जाके फ़ोटो क्लिक करके आना है वापस. And while entering you need to get ticket and the ticket price is 50 rupees and they are checking your mask and temperature also. Green mountain all around and the view is looking superb. Mostly यहाँ पे लोग early morning आते हैं to enjoy the sunrise view, but in the daytime it's like 12 o'clock now. In the daytime you can see the proper view. So So this is the top of Mandalpatti and look at the view all around.
Uno, dos, tres.
It's been more than 1 hour. We spent a lot of good time here at top of this Mandalpatti hill, and the valley all around looks so amazing. You can click lot of good picture. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप सुबह से आते हो तो you can spend a lot of quality time, and बहुत कम लोग यहाँ पे होते हैं तो, and it's a huge place. You can roam around anywhere. Yeah, so beautiful. If you are coming to Kurk, then I will say one of a must visit place. I agree. The journey till the top of the Mandalpatti is quite difficult. थोड़ा नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा ऑफरोडिंग करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको लाइक प्रॉब्लम है, बैक पेन वगैरह है तो you should avoid. But अगर आप fit हो then definitely do visit this place. So we are back from Mandalpatti peak and came back to resort, had our lunch, and now we are going to the third destination of today, that is Nisagra Dhama. So Coorg is divided into three major part. One is Madikeri जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं, and the most famous part of Coorg is Madikeri, and second is Kusal Nagar, and third is Virajpet. तो अभी हम जहाँ जा रहे हैं that is in Kusal Nagar, which is 24 kilometer from Madikeri. So if you are coming from Mysore, तो you will first cross Kusal Nagar, then you will come to Madikeri. At Nisagra Dhama right now. So here one suspension bridge is there, and thoda crowded hai ye jagah, but we are just started exploring this place. This place seems to be a very huge place.
Nisagra Dhama is basically a delta which is called as island by the locals, and this formed by river Kaveri. It's a 64-acre island with full of thick bamboo grove. It also has a forest department, run guest house and treetop bamboo cottage.
easily spend here 2 to 3 hours. This place is really beautiful. You can do zip line also, but it's a small one, but you can do if you want. And that river side was really beautiful. थोड़ा crowded था. Actually हमारा plan था आज के schedule में कि आज हम plantation tour में जाएंगे. 1.5 hour का plantation tour होता है. Actually कूर्ग में बहुत सारा spices प्लांटेशन होता है एंड कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन होता है, बट हम वो कैंसिल करके यहाँ पे आए. नाउ वी आर रियलाइजिंग इट्स अ गुड डिसीजन बिकॉज आई काइंड ऑफ लविंग दिस प्लेस.
Next, we came to this Chikla Hul Reservoir, which is 12 km from Nisagra Dhama. बट जब तक हम यहाँ पहुँचे हम ऑलरेडी सनसेट मिस कर चुके थे. वैसे ये जगह मुझे काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल लगा, बट ड्यू टू द होल कोविड सिचुएशन दिस प्लेस इज़ क्लोज फॉर नाउ. बट हमारे पास ड्रोन था तो दिस इज़ द व्यू आई कैन गेट.
सनसेट हो गया है, बट आज हमें सनसेट का व्यू टाइम लैप्स लेने के लिए कहीं पे मौका नहीं मिला, तो लिटिल बिट डिसअपॉइंटेड, बट इट्स ओके. वी एंजॉयड कंप्लीट डे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू आवर रिजॉर्ट एंड वील टेक सम रेस्ट. Tomorrow we are heading back to Bangalore, so I am ending this vlog right here. Tomorrow morning I will start a fresh vlog. So tomorrow we have some plan that you will get to know in my next vlog. So stay tuned. If you like this vlog, then hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. I'll see you guys soon in my Coorg vlog 3. Bye bye.